In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a conflict check in CosmoLex. Now to do this, you actually have two options. You could go and use matters over here on the left, or you could go to reports. So I'm going to show you both the ways right now. The first one's going to be if you go to matters over here. So you want to click on matters, and then from here you want to open this actions menu top right, and you can of course see it says down here in the middle, run conflict check. So you can just click on that. You can type in the name to the search field over here and click on run conflict check over here. Now whenever you've done this, it's going to run a conflict check, and of course you can then see the results, and you can also go and generate reports, and that's the first way to do it. The second one is going to be to go to reports over here at the bottom left in your left sidebar. So scroll down and click on reports. And then from here, you'll see that it's going to give you a bunch of things. You want to go down to matter activities, and then in here, you want to click on conflict check. Now, when you do this here, you can again search for it, and of course, you want to type in, of course, the name or whatever you're looking for. And then when you've done this, you can just run it by clicking the view or download button. And that's really how you actually run a conflict check in CosmoLex. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.